Student request Hanafuda earring. I begin by looking up what a Hanafuda earring is on Google Images. It seems like they're based on Japanese cards and are popular in anime. I save a picture of a rising sun design and then import it into Autodesk Sketchbook. I use the rectangle tool first, then the fill tool, then the ellipse tool, then I select the circle and then I click the move tool. You can move shapes precisely by clicking the nudge tool. I put a dot in the middle of the sun circle. I'll delete it later. I make another circle for the Earth. I find it's much easier to make the circles first and then move them where you want. Then I use the eraser tool to erase the parts of the Earth circle I don't need. All of the sun's rays come from the dot in the center of the sun. I erase the lines from the sun. Click on the double puck to change colors. Click the eyedropper to get colors from the screen. By clicking on the Earth with the eyedropper, I can use that color now. Now I fill the Earth with that gray color. I'll take the red from the sun in the same way, and the off-white color from the sky. The earrings are made out of enamel, and the ends of the lines kind of bulge where they touch. I use the brush freehand to do this. The colored parts are not completely flat and are very glossy, so they have a lot of highlights. I add those with the pencil tool. Make the finding with the ellipse tool. And then with the brush freehand. I start it with a 50% gray. Then I outline and shade it with black. And add some highlights with white. Autodesk Sketchbook has tons of tools and features. Try it out.